with light. A gull lands on the water, in silhouette against the sunlight, beats then folds its wings. Above us both, the clear blue skies, immensity engulfs us, and we're but two more transient waves to touch this shore. For eons our dear home has lain here, ever-changing colors burned, where heaven's bright kaleidoscope has turned. Each morning Eden's first dawn, with each fall of rain we'd grow, until we change to what we are now 1,000 years ago, and left ourselves behind us 1,000 years ago. There must be something in the waves, for the bird taps at the water and bobs upon the wakes of distant cargo ships, looking up into a sky now filled with others circling. It opens up its black beak and calls to them all. The seagull tells of magic and the thrill and joy of life. Wordless poems echo, fade and die. I don't think she can see me, and there's so much I don't know. We wanted to be seagulls 1,000 years ago, to touch the sky without machines 1,000 years ago. I didn't see her taking flight. I looked away for moments, and now the only gulls I see are high upon the air. The only cries that reach me are directionless and distant, caught between the roaring water and the beating wind. The golden sea spills from the sun in torrential holy flame, and yet a curious calm and peace remain. Perhaps we never were here, and maybe dreamt it all, on a beach watching waves